Right, Sultan, what do we have?
Skill 59. Distinguish like, alike, unlike, and dislike.
And you know the word distinguish, right?
Yeah, it means in Arabic يميز.
Is, that's right. So when you distinguish something, you have to know the difference, right? So like, alike, unlike, dislike. The TOEFL uses these words a lot because they are confusing. Okay. Can you read here, Mohana? Like?
Yeah, like, alike, unlike, and dislike are easily confused because they look so similar and they have many different uses.
Yeah. So they look similar, but we use them very differently. Okay. So Abdul Majid, can you read? Should.
We should already be familiar with the all at the adjectives alike and like.
Now, do you know the meaning of be familiar? You know the meaning of familiar? Be familiar with something?
Yeah, familiarize, know something.
If you are familiar, it's the opposite of strange, right? Something not strange, it's if it's familiar for you. In fact, I think when you study unit 9 in 04, you learn become familiar with or get used to something, right?
Yeah.
Get used to, become familiar, right? Okay, so you should be familiar with the adjectives. Okay, if you look here, I put adjective here, an adjective here. Does anybody know the meaning in this case? What is like in this example? If it's an adjective, what does it mean? Anybody?
You like something, so
Well, we can change, there's a synonym. There's one word. We could change it to just one word.
beautiful.
Similar.
Similar. When it's an adjective, it's the same meaning as similar. Okay, if it's an adjective, all right? And then Mohana, what does that say?
See skill 50, page 205.
So if we look at page 205, what do you see here? Oh, predicate adjectives. Skill number 50. This is in the YouTube channel, right? I put this up in the YouTube already, in the YouTube channel. Okay, we have alike and unalike. All right, so if you don't understand it, then you should review the skill. Review skill 50. All right. Can you read here for us, John?
John and Tom are alike.
Okay, so John and Tom are alike. What is this alike? Tell me the part of speech.
Adjective.
That's right. It's an adjective. Okay. All right. Read the second one, Khalid.
John and Tom worked in a like manner.
Yeah. Which part of speech is it?
I think adjective.
Yeah. So they're both adjectives, right? You
Yes.
see, these are both adjectives. Okay. So now, can I use the word similar here? John and Tom are similar.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the second one? John and Tom worked in a similar manner.
Yes.
You see? So they're both correct, right? John and Tom are similar. John and Tom worked in a similar manner. So, but there's a difference, and the difference is in skill 50. Okay. So, can you read this, Sultan? What does it say?
Special adjective 1
Mhm.
must follow a linking verb.
It must follow a linking verb, okay? It must follow a linking verb. And
must not come before the noun.
Yeah, you cannot put this alike, cannot put it before the noun. What do you see right here, gentlemen?
Linking verb are. P.
That's right, it's a linking verb. It's a linking verb, okay? In fact, linking verb is skill number 47. Skill number 47, okay? Page 198 to 199. Let's take a quick look. 198. I did this skill. Remember the linking verbs in this skill?
Yeah.
Be, there you go. Be is a linking verb, okay? Okay, let's continue. So, Abdul Majid, what about this? Can you read this?
Special adjective 2.
Yeah, special adjective 2. This is special adjective number 1, and this is special adjective number 2. What's the difference between these two? There's a difference. Is the meaning different or is the meaning the same?
The same.
Meaning is the same, but we use them
Differently.
in different positions. Okay, where do I put this one?
Before a noun.
Yes, this must come before a noun. You understand? Yeah. Okay, so Mohana, let's go to alike.
Alike is a predict adjective.
Predicate, that's skill 50. Skill 50 is predicate adjectives, okay? All right, and then here?
It can only be used after linking verb, such as are.
Yeah, so it must follow a linking verb, right? Predicate adjective must follow linking verb. And then like?
Like is the adjective form that is used immediately before the noun man.
So this here, these words here, these 3 sentences explain these examples. Okay? You understand? Yeah? Okay. Faraz. Now let's go to the next structure here.
Next structure, you should be familiar with are and the prepositions like and alike.
So what is this?
Adjective. Oh, okay.
Preposition. Yeah. And here also
Preposition.
preposition. Continue. Which
have opposite meaning. Because are prepositions, they must be followed by objects.
Right. They must be followed by objects. So we've got 2 examples here. Khalid, John.
John is like Tom.
Okay. What is like in this case?
I think it's preposition.
Correct. Preposition. Okay. And then what about Tom?
Object.
Bingo. Object. Now, some students, if your English level is low, you don't know that object has another meaning in the grammar, right? Yeah. You know, what's the basic meaning for object is a thing, right? But not in the grammar. What does it mean in the grammar? It's the position, right? The position of a noun, right? If the noun follows a verb, that we call this the object, right? What if it follows a preposition? Same thing. Then the noun, we call it the object. Okay? So there we go. We've got preposition, noun, preposition, noun. Mohana, can you read the second example?
Yeah. John is unlike Tom.
What is this word, unlike?
Preposition
And Tom?
as the object of a preposition.
It follows the preposition. Yeah, so it's an object. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of like, you guys? Anybody? What do you think it means? Can you change it to similar? You see up here, we changed it to similar.
I don't think so.
Can I use similar here?
No.
We need a preposition. So
Similar to.
similar to. Okay. Like John is like Tom. Say this, Abdul Majid, but change it to similar.
John is similar to Tom.
Exactly. Do you understand? John is like Tom means the same as John is similar to Tom. Okay. All right. So, Mohana, how about the second example? What do you think?
Not similar to.
What's the opposite? The opposite of similar.
Different.
Opposite.
Ah, okay. But can I only say different? No, I need a preposition. How do I say different?
With that,
Different to.
What preposition do I use with different?
Two.
No, we don't say different to. We say different from. You say similar to somebody or something, different from somebody or something. Do you understand? Yeah? All right. Let's go to the next one here. All right, Mohana.
Yeah. The preposition like and unlike can also be used at the beginning of a sentence.
Right. So that means sometimes we put the preposition at the beginning. Yeah? Yeah. So example, read the first example. Like Tom.
Like Tom, John is tall.
Yeah. Again, these are prepositions. So I want you to switch this to similar.
Similar to Tom, John is tall.
Exactly. Similar to Tom, comma, John is tall. Okay. For us,
unlike Tom, John is tall.
yeah. Change it.
Different from Tom, John is tall.
Bingo. Different from Tom, comma, John is tall. Okay. You see preposition, guys, and then object, preposition, object. Okay. Now here's one more, Khalid. What does it say down here? Final structures.
The final structure that you should be familiar with are the verb like and dislike.
Here we have verbs. Okay.
Okay.
Continue. Which
have opposite meaning because they are verbs. They are used with subject.
That's right. We use them with a subject. Sultan, first example. John.
John and Tom like the course. It's a verb.
Exactly. And then Abdul Majid, second one.
John and Tom dislike the course.
Also
The
a verb. There you go. These are verbs. Okay. All right, gentlemen. Now you see they have different uses. We use them differently, right? Okay. Let's look at the chart. Okay. Go to the chart. Mohana.
Yeah.
Like, alike, unlike, dislike. Let's start with the first one. Like.
Like as adjective.
What does it
meaning
mean?
similar.
Mhm.
Like is
How-
used
Yeah. How do we use it?
before noun.
Use it before a noun. Okay. Can you read that?
Like plus noun.
Like plus a noun. Now, I want you to look at the next one, Mohana, under here. I added something before the word alike. It has an opposite adjective. Does anybody know the opposite adjective?
unlike.
Say almost the same spelling, right? Almost the same. You say unalike. Okay, unalike. Unalike is the opposite from alike. Okay, and then Mohana, continue.
Yeah. Unlike or like is adjective meaning similar. Like is used after linking verb.
Yeah. So here we want, what is this?
Subject, linking verb, and alike or unlike.
There you go. Subject, linking verb, and then we put alike. All right, for us. How about the next one?
Like is a preposition.
What does it mean?
Similar.
I want you to add something.
Similar to.
There you go. Write the word to, because it's a preposition, right?
Yeah.
Then
Both prepositions are followed by objects. They can both be used in many positions, including at the beginning of the sentence.
so the second one,
Unlike is preposition meaning different to, different from.
different from.
Yeah.
Different from. Okay. All right. Now, take a look at this. Khalid, can you read that?
Okay. How do you look like?
Not how.
Who do you look like?
Yes. Khalid, who do
Yes.
you look like in your family? Who do you look like?
I am fat and tall, like this.
No. Who do you look like? What does that mean? Who do you look like? Who do you look similar to?
I look like my father.
There you go. Okay. Can you say that?
Yes. I look like my dad.
Yeah. You see here, it's a preposition, gentlemen, right? It means similar to. I look similar to my dad. Yeah. And this?
I look similar to my dad.
Is that clear, gentlemen? I look like my dad. I look similar to my dad. Okay. All right. So, Sultan, let's do the verbs.
Like, grammar is a verb meaning enjoy. Both verb follow subjects.
And then?
Dislike, verb not enjoy. Both verbs follow subjects.
Always follow a subject. Now, there's one more that the TOEFL book doesn't give you. There's actually one more. Does anybody know? It actually has this. It only shows us adjective, preposition, and verb, but there's actually one more.
Adverb.
No,
Like
it's
speech?
not that's the only part of speech. It is not. It's not an adverb.
Is it likely?
Nope.
No.
That's an adverb, and this is very, very different.
Noun.
It is a noun. It's a noun. Okay. Now, if you remember, if you open your book, Headway, Unit 1, there's a story on the second page. Okay, there's two ladies that are traveling in your book, and in that story, one of the questions about the story is, what are her likes and dislikes? What are her likes and dislikes? Right? If you have the Headway student book, you can see that. I can't remember, is it page 8, Mohana?
No, I think 7.
Maybe 7, right? Page 7. Okay. It's on page 7. And there's a question there. It says, what are her likes and dislikes? Can you find it, Mohana?
No, I found the story, but the question.
You can't find it? I'll show you quickly. All right, here. Right here, up here at the top. talks about Sophie's likes and dislikes. This is a noun, gentlemen. Okay. These are nouns, all right? So, what's the word? What's the word? The noun?
Likes.
With an S, always with an S. Likes and dislikes. What does the first one mean?
Birds prefer.
Prefer, yeah.
Things
I love.
I love. What about dislikes?
I hate things I hate.
Things I hate.
Things I hate. Can you read the example, Sultan? Here's an example.
Yeah. My likes include eating, sleeping, and playing video games.
There you go. My likes. You see how this is a noun, right? My likes. The things I love. Okay, Abdul Majid, how about the second one?
My dislikes include studying, working, and doing homework.
Dislikes include studying, working.
This is true.
Is it? Yes. Okay. All right. Exercise 59, gentlemen. You want to circle the like words, then you should write if it's correct or incorrect. Are you ready? Let's start now. What should, oh, wait, don't start now. Let's quickly look at number one. I forgot. Why is this incorrect? Can anybody tell me?
It should be a like.
Yeah. it should be a like.
Bingo. It follows a linking verb, right? What part of speech is it, by the way?
It's adjective.
Correct. It's an adjective, but it should say alike. What about the second one, number two?
Adjective.
The science books this semester are like the books used last
Preposition.
semester.
Preposition.
Right. How do you know? Change it to the word similar to, right? When you change to similar to, oh, now I get it. It's a preposition. All right. So everybody put incorrect for number one. All right. And then put correct for number two. Here we go. Polling is started. Okay, gentlemen, 1 minute. If you have to leave before the time is up, you should submit your answers. Okay, guys, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, somebody didn't submit. There we go. All right, everybody submitted. Let's see. Okay, guys. Number 1 and 2. All right, good. Incorrect and then correct. Number 3. Number 3. What did you say? Most of you said it's incorrect. Okay. Incorrect. Very good. Number 4. Number 4, correct. Everybody agrees? Good. Number 5. Okay, 80% of you said it's incorrect. Good. So far, so good. Number 6, 80% thinks it's correct. Good. Number 7, oh, everyone agrees. 100% say it's correct. Number 8, 80% of you said incorrect. All right, good. Number 9, everyone agrees on 9. Okay. And 10, 80% said it's incorrect. All right, so most of you got them right. Now, let's see where the problems are, okay? So, Sultan, where should I put the circles? Let's put a circle. All right. All right, any more? Is that the only one?
Yes, this only one.
Okay, good. Where's the problem here?
We can't use alike here because it's a preposition, not the adjective.
So let me
We
see.
need the like.
Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so we want to change it to like. Yes.
Yes.
What do we have up here? Up here should be a like. All right. Put an X. No, where am I gonna put it? What's this? It's that one out. Okay. And then here, let's see, a like. Now, what do we have over here? We have an object. And here, what do we have? Preposition. Okay. This means similar to. Okay. And then, what do we have here? Is this a preposition?
Yeah, but it's incorrect. It's adjective.
It's an adjective, right?
Right.
Okay. A like the restaurant should be preposition, right?
Yeah.
Should be a preposition here. So. Should, it means similar to, right? Similar to. Okay. I think I'm gonna uncover these first, then it'll be easier. We'll see. What about number 4, gentlemen? What does it mean?
And preposition also.
It's a preposition, right? Okay. And where's the
Different
object? Find the object.
The traditional red.
Not red.
Fire engines.
Yeah, there's your object, right? And what does it mean, unlike?
Different from.
Different from. So I'm gonna put parentheses up here. Okay. All right. And then here, where do I put parentheses in number 3?
I like the restaurant.
Yes. And then how about number 4?
Unlike the traditional red fire engines.
Yeah. So this is a big, long prepositional phrase. Okay. All of that is one prepositional phrase, right? And then, how about number 5, Abdul Majid? You see a problem in number 5?
Yes, alike.
What should it be?
Like.
Yeah. We want to, it should say, it should have the meaning of similar, right? Yeah. And then where is the verb in number 6? Find the verb in number 6.
Like.
In 6.
Number 6. Okay. Is.
All right. Then what do we have here? What's hiding behind this? Like plus a noun. Where do I put the like? Let's see. The pianist is preparing is
Unlike.
unlike. Okay. Here, we'll cover a few more things. Unlike, square here. Number 5. What is disliked, gentlemen?
Verb.
Yep, disliked is a verb. How about number 6? Unlike,
And preposition.
it's a preposition. Number 7, what do we have in 7?
Like verb.
What is this?
Position.
Preposition.
A
also.
preposition. 8,
Alike.
Alike.
what is it?
Adjective.
What is alike?
Adjective.
It's an adjective. How about number 9?
Like.
What is it?
Adjective.
Adjective. And 10?
Dislike.
Dislike verb.
See how this is can be kind of confusing, right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me uncover some of these things. Even with all my covers, I'm getting confused. Let's see. All right, now we can do this properly. So in number 5, dislike is what?
A verb.
Dislike is a verb. Okay, and alike is wrong. Yeah, what
Yep.
should it be?
Like.
Exactly, should be like. Okay, and this up here is wrong, alike. Okay, and then let's see, do we have another prepositional phrase in number 6? Can you find a prepositional phrase here, number 6?
Unlike.
Yeah,
Any.
you have a preposition. Any is the object. Okay, how about number 7?
Like the Washington Zoo.
Prepositional phrase right there. How about number 8?
The insurance package. Not.
Insurance package, but we need a prepositional phrase.
I like the backing our company.
This
like.
should be a prepositional phrase. It should be. Okay. How about in number 9? Are there any prepositional phrases in number 9?
No, it's adjective.
Yeah, number 9 is an adjective. Okay. Let's see. There's an object, preposition, object, like, also, preposition, object. Okay. Similar to the Washington Zoo. Different from. Where do I put different from?
Unlike, yeah.
There we go. Okay. Then what do we have? We should have a preposition, right?
Right.
Okay. Object. Similar to. Okay. And then down here, what do we have here? The last one.
An adjective, like,
Okay.
similar.
Similar. Fashion. Wrong color. Let's change the color. There we go. Then what do we have down here? Subject.
Linking verb are.
You have a linking verb. And then,
Verbs like. But,
Yeah, yeah, this should be here,
And I
linking
like.
verb. And what follows a linking verb?
an adjective.
Should be an adjective, alike. So the problem, dislike. Okay, let's see. What else? Something else is missing here.
UN.
Number Number 9, okay, similar fashion, that's okay. Number 10 should be alike, right? What should this one be here? Up here in number 8, instead of alike the package,
Like.
should be like, right? Like the package. There we go. I just. There we go. I like. Okay. Did we fix number 2?
Yeah, we fix it.
How do we fix it? I think we just removed the A, right?
Yeah.
Just like that. No A. Okay. Now, oh, do we have an adjective clause here somewhere?
Adjective clause.
What do you see here, guys?
The answers packaged of it.
Actually, this skill, we have lots of adjective clauses. Lots of adjective clauses, right? Any that she has ever played before. Here's an adjective clause, okay? All right. Then, gentlemen, I think that's all of the corrections. I'm not sure where these should go, but there you go. So number 1, what is it? Alike, preposition, object.
Object, yeah.
Should be a preposition, right? It should be. So that
Yeah.
means you remove the A. And then it becomes preposition. It means similar to. Number 4 is correct. Number 5 should be what?
Like.
Yeah. And that means similar, right?
Right.
Like, yeah. Wearing like dresses. Number 6, preposition object. Then an adjective clause. Number 7, what do we have at the beginning?
Like a preposition.
Preposition, object, prepositional phrase. Number 8 should be another prepositional phrase, right? Number 9, what's this one?
Should be an adjective. It's an
Just an
adjective.
adjective, right? It's just an adjective. So this one is like plus a noun, right?
Right.
Okay. And then number 10, we have a subject, albums, linking verb, right? Here we have a linking verb. And then should be what? Not
An adjective.
so alike.
Part 1.
There you go. All right, gentlemen. That was a bit of a mess, but we've finally done it, I think, at the end. Abdul Majid, yes.
I have a quick question. Number 8, why it's not
Okay.
correct?
Sorry.
Why it's not correct?
All right. You see right here? You see the word alike?
Mhm.
Can I say alike the package?
Can't we use? Do we have to use? Don't we have to use the like after the linking verb?
Well, if it's an adjective, but does it mean similar the package or does it mean similar to the package?
Similar to?
Uh-huh. So if it's similar to the package, then it should be the preposition, right? If I put alike, is alike a preposition?
Of course not.
No, that's not a preposition, that's an adjective, right? We want to have a preposition and an object. Okay,
Okay, see.
does that make sense, Abdul Majid? You understand?
Yes. Yeah, I do understand.
Yeah, yeah. Alike is always an adjective, okay? Like may be an adjective or a preposition, but it depends on the situation, right? Okay. All right, guys. Are there any other questions about this skill? I think you can see it's a bit confusing, right? Yeah, but it takes practice. Practice. All right, gentlemen. That's all.
Thank you, Mr. Rich.
You're welcome. Guys, the TOEFL is on Friday night. Good luck with the TOEFL, you guys.
Thank you,
All right.
Mr. Rich.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.